Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Mint newspaper headlines. So, first of all, Istu Samudram, why experts are not in consensus. Next, Adani's choice. Next, on page number 4, in that is joblessness high and will it affect the ballot? Then I comes to page number 5, in that US short sellers fraud claim batters Adani group shares. Next, Adani FPO's anchor book gets 1.5 multiply bits. Next, BCCI net rupees 4,670 crore from auction of 5 women's IPL teams. Next, KM Birla Mulayam SM Krishna Zakir Hussain get Padma Award. Next, Google to let users choose default search engine on Android phones. Next, German clears way for scores of tanks for Ukraine, US to join. Next, Kishori Biani resigns as future retail's executive chairman. Next, PhonePe investor paid rupees 8,000 crore tax. Next, EV battery rules likely next month. Next, just one of 10 F&O trades made profit in FY 2022. Next, on page number 6 in economy and policy section under that, India UAE to connect power grids. Next, India's first sovereign green bond issue rises rupees 8,000 crore. Next, India to set up expert teams to deal with health emergencies. Next, Israel is India's top petro product buyer. Next, digital currency to further boost digital economy RBI. Next, normal job creation pick up in November. Next, DLF quarter 3 net profit rises 37%, sales booking increase 24%. Next, India's economic growth seen as at 6% in FY23 UN. Next, Air India offers 980 MN shares to employees. Next, secured lenders withdraw petition in Reliance Cap ease. On page number 9 in market section under that, Pidlite must get a fix on margins. Next, UK factory price inflation is to slowest in almost a year. Next, Asian stocks on 7-month high has market reopen after holidays. Next, Colgate needs to boost up on growth another dull quarter. Next, good order books at COS says HDFC Bank. Next, Cipla quarter 3 net profit rises 10%. Next, Dr. Reddy's beats Street in quarter 3 on upbeat North America biz. Next, markets down over 1%, awaiting cues from budget US Fed. On page number 11 in corporate section under that, digital arm will be a revenue contributor. Next, Bajaj aims for aggressive E2W growth. Next, flyers to get 75% ticket cost for downgrades. Next, Bharat was ready for launch. Government private firms do a reality check. Next, ease my trip eyes more acquisitions to expand business. On page number 12 in deals, tech and startup section under that, two co-founders of ShareChat step down. Next, what else the PE and VC industry in gender diversity. Next, Microsoft probes Teams Outlook outage has users report disruption. Next, APAC cybersecurity M&As dropped last year. Next, NVIDIA CEO says AI will need regulation, social norms. Next, India's retail health insurance market can give 20% ROE annually. Next, Way Cool Foods in talks to raise $60 million for organic growth. Next, Happiest Minds by SMI for rupees 101 crore 11 crore. Next, telecos start deploying private 5G networks to boost revenues. On page number 13 in corporate section under that, Tata Motors turns in a profit for the first time in 2 years. Next, US short sellers fraud claim batters Adani Group shares. Next, government likely to issue EV battery standards next month. Next, PhonePe investors paid rupees 8,000 crore tax. Next, Adani anchor book gets 1.5 multiple beats. Next, cricket board net rupees 4,670 crore from auction of 5 women's IPL team. On page number 14, in corporate section under that, ITC sets its eyes on delicious millet recipes for masses. Next, beauty has a category will grow at a pace ahead of the business. Next, KM Birla Mulayam get Padma Awards. On page number 15 in news wrap section under that, India Bank's December quarter profit doubles. Next, government to sell 3 MT of wheat in open market. Next, ONGC chairman Singh to be CEO too. Next, Kishori Biani stepped down as chairman of Future Retail. Next, JSW still eyes rupee bond market. Next, Google makes India specific changes after antitrust order. Next, Africa taps India for biometric tech. Next, freeze import duties for 5 years GTRI. Next, palm oil imports may drop in March quarter. Next, Okinawa Atotech to make powertrain. Next, rising cost of data a concern, Minister. On page number 16 in global section under that, how the economy could avoid recession. Next, mint short section under that, Microsoft quarterly result saved by cloud computing. Next, UK factory price inflation eases to slowest in almost a year. Next, China holiday travel box office rebound after COVID zero. Next, Walmart boosts average hourly pay to $17.5 in nude to inflation. Next, Tesla plans $3.6 billion expansion to make semi e-truck battery cells. Next, Murdoch ditches New Corp for merger after objections. Next, Germany clears way for scores of tanks for Ukraine. On page number 17 in that long story section under that, how an orphan crop become an elite snack. On page number 18 in mint new money section under that, will Radhika Gupta's second big idea disrupt debt mutual funds. Next, what HNIs must know before optioning for a private debit card. Next, how to select the right PMS fund for a horizontal of 3-4 years. Next, here are the risks associated with being guarantor. On page number 21 in view section under that, the republic's strength is a steady constitution. Next, we should focus on clusters to sharpen our competitive edge. Next, will technology turn human beings intellectually lazy. Next, on page number 22 in view section under that, India could go from aspirational to inspirational within 25 years. Next, America's frantic EV ambitions seem to and blood battery. Next, Digiyatra is not a privacy risk but a travel smoother. On page number 23 in culture section under that, for the creator on the show's global journey. Next, five takeaways from the Oscar nomination. Next, the body speaks many languages in this new exhibition. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.